Ate, gitna ka. Sa tuka.
Katabi ka sa
Oo,
akin,
sa
dali.
tuka.
Hindi, okay.
Tuka, sa gitna ka.
Para kita siya. Kita niya yung ano.
O, ang ano mo,
Yan,
yan.
dyan ka, ate.
Pantay na.
Daffodil!
Sige, sige, go. Handa mo na yung ano mo ate, yung mata mo.
Wait lang. Green record.
Michelle, welcome back. Ay, ready na talaga. Mapapabandang tayo dito! Happy birthday!
Bakit papansin si Rochelle?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Talaga may handaan, ha?
Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Thank you so much!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Milo, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sana mangyari yung lahat ng pinaplano mo sa buhay. Wish you all the best, good health, and God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Mother, happy birthday.
Sino yan?
Wish you for good health and more birthdays to come. Sana hintuan mo na yung pagsi-cellphone mo. Yung dulot ng pagmamigraine mo eh.
O, hindi
Sana
talaga.
enjoy mo yung ano mo, birthday mo ngayon.
Business na business.
And asahan mo na palagi ako nasa tabi mo. Bye.
Hi Milo! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health. And God bless. Enjoy your national day. Again, happy birthday!
Sino yan?
Hi Timilod, happy birthday! Kumusta? Maadjong adlaw sa mga
Okay.
natauhan.
Si Jack.
Auntie Fernie, wishing you all the best in life and God bless you. Salamat kay sa tanan, Auntie Fernie. Happy birthday!
Sino yun? Hindi ko kilala yun.
Happy birthday, ate. God bless. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your day today. Birthday, Auntie Fernie. God bless you. Ang bumot yun.
Happy birthday, Mami Tata. Happy birthday, Mami Tata. Happy birthday, Mami Tata.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's.
Hello, May. Happy birthday and hope still beautiful gapon ka, sexy like me. And kaya hope magpadayon gapon mo pag matinabangon sa uban, sama ka na mo, and I love you so much, me. Naalang gapon mi diri, alang kanino.
Mawawang ko. Dili ko hiling mag video greetings, but okay, so here's my message. To the one who made school days unforgettable, happy birthday, Milo. Wishing you a fabulous birthday surrounded by love, joy, and all the things that you make you smile. Hoping your day is as special as you are. God bless. Amping Permi Milo again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Timilods! God bless you always! Tinso tatanan! Amping!
This birthday, Nina, take care always. Stay sexy and pretty.
Hi, Timilods! Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
happy birthday, Melodina. And wish na ko ng gold health and stay pretty always. I know na wala na kulang sa imong life karon. And hope na magkita ka ta soon or sa umaabot pa ba ng mga panahon hantod dili ta mawala diri sa kalibutan. And I couldn't dili na ako mapigilan na ako self na matulo ang akong luha kung ma-remember ka as one of my childhood friend. Again, happy birthday and love you.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
Ang kapitbahay.
Nag-ibig ko kung saan ako itabi mo, pero...
Piling ko sinusilin mo yung pakanan nito.
Kaya di sila musugot nga, dili ko magbuhat.
Inano ni Mami?
Ginuot ko. Basta mo na to, happy birthday, I love you. Kabalo na ka na. Chat na lang ta. Ang team permit stay sexy. See ya.
Milo, happy birthday diha. Happy birthday, Milo. God bless.
Kaya pala nag-greet sila sa akin.
Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come and more blessings to come in your life. So again, happy birthday and God bless you. Good morning, Milo. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy
Ito, napanood ko to eh. Sila niya sa akin.
Sana okay ka dyan, lalo na sa Japan. Nag-celebrate ka. Wadi ka ka-uli dihas atong grand alumni diri sa Valencia. My best wishes is good career, good health, and more money for you. Para marami kang matabangan sa atong mga batchmates o sa imong family. Number one, your family. Siyempre, regards din ko sa mga friends out there. Lalo na sa best friend mo si Lucelyn Lim.
Grabe.
I hope you're okay. Wala na ko daghan nga ikasulti kay murag di pa ko masyadong ready kay gikan ko gasibak. But ahong gipaningkamutan nga from the bottom of my heart. We wish you all the luck and more money to come. Hope you enjoy. Promise. And say hi to batch 96. We have a batch 96. Kung wala man sila nagka-greet sa imo, ako na lang mo paabot sa ilang mga greetings. So I hope Milo, enjoy. Kung kailan ka uwi, don't forget wa ako, manglaag ta. Manglaag ta, maglingaw-lingaw ta. Let's enjoy the life. Samtang kaya pa na to manglaag, baskog pa. Anyway, lami iligo og dagat. Oh, tingnan mo, ang dagat. Nara ko sa likod sa balay. Anyway, likod sa mga balay na seawall.
Tour your house, tour yun.
So, pag may time, uwi ka diri sa Bohol, mga ligo ta. Dagat. Ayaw po diri sa likod balay. Ayaw po diri sa Badyang or saan nga beach ang pinakanindot. Mahaba-haba na anyway. Enjoy! I love you, Milo. Mahal kita as a batchmate, friend, barkads. Ang health para always beautiful inside and out. So, you're a Miss Universe sa atong batchmate. Batch 96. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Window!
I wish you more blessings to come.
I wish you good health. I wish you long life. More blessing to come. God bless. Stay humble and kind. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless. Ingat palagi. Maraming salamat na kilala ka namin. We love you. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far